Good evening. The anti-narcotic cell of Goa Police on Monday, that's yesterday, conducted in what we can call it as a biggest LSD liquid acid seizure by Goa Police and have seized 110 grams of high micron LSD liquid worth rupees 11 crores 7 lakhs in the illicit market. The quantity of the liquid seized by ANC is sufficient enough to make approximately 10 to 12 lakhs LSD blots, or with what we call as LSD papers. The accused has been identified as Mr. Mohammad Sameer. He is 29 years of age. He is a native of Palakkad, Kerala, and has been living in Goa for last 5 years. He was presently running a guest house in Baga. Accused also rented an independent house at Bamanwado, Siolim, where he operated this drug business. The ANC received information that a Kerala native has been dealing in high micron LSD drops. The information was further developed and the ANC sleuths through technical surveillance and human intelligence zeroed down the accused person and accordingly laid the trap. Accused was apprehended successfully with 4.72 grams, that is 10 drops of highly potent LSD liquid when he had come to deliver the same. It was just outside his rented premises at Bamanwado, Siolim. The raid then took a massive turn, wherein during the house search conducted, recovered massive 106 grams of more high micron LSD liquid along with 101 gram of ganja. It may be noted that high quantity of potent liquid is sufficient to produce again 10 to 12 lakhs of LSD blots, which would cost approximately around 3 to 5,000 rupees per blot. So accused used to sell the drugs in drops and used to lace blotting papers with the liquid and further supply it to his customers as per their requirement. The LSD liquid is psychedelic drug and is widely used in the trans party circle and is considered to be one of the most potent narcotic drug in the world. The raid was led and conducted by PI ANC Sajid Pillai, assisted by other staff of ANC under the supervision of Device P ANC, Mr. Nellan Albuquerque, and under my supervision. The investigation of the case is in progress. The accused has been taken for remand and he has been granted 7 days police custody remand. We are conducting very thorough investigation to know the source of these drugs, the financial trades of this business, and shortly we may be doing more arrest also. We have registered the offence on behalf of state under relevant sections of NDPS Act. Thank you. Presently no criminal background. We have checked.
What is the total weight?
110.7 grams of LSD total liquid.
कितने दिवस एक्टिव होता है यार?
As per source information, last nearly 6 months. That is what is the investigation going on. That we are investigating. Yesterday night only, by the time the raid was conducted, my staff returned. It was 11:30 in the night. We have been continuously interrogating him, and today also certain house search also again more has been conducted. Now he has been taken for remand, and he is just in the process of returning. So the interrogation will continue now.
House search means rented premises?
Yes, house search of the rented premises.
मॅडम सडनली जे ड्रग्स केसीस आहा त्यो वाडटाना दिसता गोंयान आतां इतके अमावंटाचो ड्रग्स सद्या आमी पळयता की रेड मारून धरता जावं खंय सडनली ह्या वर्सा खंय तरी रायज आहा असो दिसता तुमकां.
आमी सांगिल्ल्या प्रमाणे आनी सगळ्यांक खबर आसा झिरो टॉलरन्स फॉर ड्रग्स by Goa Police, by Goa administration, by Goa government. We have been collecting intelligence, we have been verifying the intelligence, and we have been laying the traps. So we are very vigilant, and so you can see number of raids are increasing. We have been working very hard to see that these nefarious activities are nipped in bud, and we put them inside.
मॅडम हांव पळोवपाक गेल्यार लास्ट 5 years खूबच मेळपाक लागले ड्रग्स आनी एमावंटूय चड मेळपाक लागले जे ड्रग्साचो एमावंट आहा तो आतां वाडत चलता.
Goa is a tourism state. We receive all domestic and international tourists, and Goa is a happening and a party place. So with the tourism, I feel this is also coming. So but Goa Police is very vigilant, and we are working very hard to see that these activities are curtailed and curbed. Through this medium, I would request all the public to share the information. We will see that their identity is kept secret. We will develop the information. Definitely it takes time in developing the information in raiding these nefarious activities.
मॅडम हेच केसीन आनी कितें फुडें नेटवर्क आसा?
Investigations are going on, and we will have more things. Yes.
What was this target when you were distributing this drug in a party, club or somewhere?
It is on need basis. Whoever wanted, he would put more, then he would come in the tube.
But you were visiting any clubs, any night parties or?
At this stage, no. At this stage, no. But yet, we are saying that raid is just yesterday, and we have to unearth so many things.